Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the updated 2026 Binance registration process step by step. If you sign up using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with bonus rewards. To get started, I'll walk you through the Binance sign-up process. When you click the link provided under the video, you'll be taken directly to the Binance registration page. On this screen, you'll see that a 20% trading fee discount along with several bonus rewards is already applied. You can create your account by entering your email address or by using your mobile phone number. After checking the box to agree to the terms, click Continue to proceed. Select the image that best matches the word shown on the left. Then, verify your email address or mobile phone number. Once that's done, set up a strong password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If the referral code field appears, be sure to enter SKY333. By entering this code, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount on Binance as well as extra bonus rewards. That's why I highly recommend entering the code before completing your registration. After completing this step, your Binance account setup will be complete. Now, let's move on to how to complete KYC verification. Identity verification is required to use peer-to-peer services, withdraw funds, and trade on Binance. Since facial recognition is part of this process, we'll continue using a smartphone. Make sure the Binance app is installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap to open the app. Log in using the account you just created. The app will automatically take you to the identity verification screen. Select your nationality. In this example, I'll choose India. Then continue with the verification process. Choose one of the supported identity documents. Select passport as your verification method. Tap Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Make sure the passport information page is fully visible within the camera frame, then take a clear photo. Check that the image is sharp with no glare or shadows. After that, move on to facial recognition verification. Place your face inside the frame and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. You've now successfully completed identity verification. After a review period of about 1 hour, your status will be updated to verified. Now, let's set up Google Authenticator. Return to the Binance screen on your PC. Click Account from the menu on the left. Then choose Security. We'll add an extra layer of protection by enabling the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then select Enable Authenticator app. Complete the verification using your email or phone number. Next, a QR code window will appear. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Open the Google Authenticator app, and tap the button in the bottom right corner. Select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance verification code will appear inside the Google Authenticator app. Click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the input field provided. Once this is completed, your Google Authenticator setup is finished. In this video, I showed you the latest 2026 step-by-step method for creating a Binance account. If this video was helpful, please remember to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.